Answer say, what happened to you?
Now the wife now ask, what happened to your husband?
She can't talk to me.
She talk say, now the nurse where they call, now he give her injection, and that injection can only help for his body.
Hold on. But not be them they talk saying the hospital they receive treatment by 4. Then you now come in house by 2:08. And now the contact say he receive treatment from nurse. Does that mean that they be the lie, they try to deceive us of the time? Anyways, now only the wife you ask what happened, or you ask any other person?
That's not the only wife Naya asks.
When you go there, you see the nurse with your own eyes?
No.
You don't see the nurse as at the time?
I don't see the nurse.
So what will be the next thing where you do immediately?
Immediately, I go outside. I see how people plenty. On that day, I talk to Slatan.
For phone?
Not on phone, no. Me with him see each other like this.
So Slatan did there too?
He was there. And I talk to him and say, see what happened to your brother. And that's the first time that we meet each other. I say, Daddy, go shiri niyen, bashiri niyen, go shiri niyen, bashiri niyen. Turning back from Slatan, one man just called me. He introduced himself, say, na me be the Mobad lawyer. Na you be Mobad lawyer. And I asked him, what can we do now? Because when my pikin come back from tour, he told me, say, Papa, he don't get 1-2 plot of land somewhere. Now,
wait.
Okay.
You see what me they try to look for. Those other things I will come there. I just want to know the step at which, because the next thing I want to know now why them go bury him, the way they bury him.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So from here now, what was the process? Because that time, the same Mobad don't die. Which day when I do the burial?
The following day.
The following day on the 13th.
13th.
Right.
Yeah.
So why would I do that burial so quick like that?
Okay. The reason is this.
Before that,
okay.
I know so you don't already talk, say when you come, they don't already embalm. So they don't already say you don't die. Everybody where they're there, no say you don't die. Yeah. Right? So, but did you also cross-check by yourself to be sure say he don't die completely?
I'm not feeling near the body. The shock just catch me.
So that means he don't already did here, lie down lifeless. So a lot of people don't already see him. So to the best of their knowledge, he don't already die.
Yeah.
Right.
And I said, Darusha, you have to call ambulance.
Okay.
Let's take this body from here.
Okay.
To police station. From police station to the morgue.
Okay. Why did you say they should take him to the police station?
Because in Nigeria, we can't pass without meeting police on the road. And then we ask us that kind of something.
Okay. So we now can't go to the police station?
Now say, okay, let's go to the police station. And he called ambulance on his phone. He invites like a Uber. So I don't know how to call that kind of something. But he called. And they take the body to the police station. Getting to the police station and meet police there. They say I should write statement of what happened. And I told the police that my body was shaking. They should write on my behalf. Okay. And begin asking what happened. And I give the narration exactly.
I should take narrate now.
As I just narrate for you.
Okay.
Suddenly somebody just come from New York and say they should not give me police report.
Why?
I look at the person say, what thing happened? He say, when this thing happened, where did you report to? I just arrived here now. I just come back from Ikorodu. I'm not living around here. So this is waiting I saw this person so they can't give me police report. Okay. I don't sign that day. The police way they give me that paper, say make I sign. He just pack the paper. And we don't waste time there. Say, waiting I go do again. Okay.
All this time one at the inside station, where Mobad body dey?
He dey inside ambulance outside.
Inside ambulance outside. Yes. Okay, so police don't give you reports. What was the next thing you did?
I decided let me take it to the mob at Ikorodu.
Okay. So now, I will ask you one more question before you continue. As at the time when this thing happened, when you go that house, did anybody mention Naira Marley, Sam Larry, or Zeno say them did there when Mohbad died?
Nobody mentioned those.
Nobody mentioned those three names, and you didn't see any of them.
I didn't see any trace of them.
And all the explanation you got then was their name involved. You know why they asked you? Up till now, I still believe say somebody had a reason to bring that in order to hide whatever thing where the thing where happened. That's my own belief. But go on. Now you can't go one more for Ikorodu.
When I reach the mall, I go to the attendant, the person where they fee the attend to. I beg, see waiting at the pass through. This is my son. No, you know, see doctor report, doctor statement, we write to him wife, they her hand. We go there together. I don't know say he had doctor report because I am not the one that take the body to.
Wait. Mohbad wife already get doctor reports.
That is it.
Of say the boy don't die. That means they don't already go get that report before they even call you for phone.
They're supposed to carry the body, go more.
They can't instead carry and come
instead of carry and go house, go and bam.
Go and bam. That was the time they can't call you. Be that. So they don't already do all waiting they want to before they call you. Okay, so you can't bring.
Yeah, then now say, okay, where your police report?
Okay.
You no get. Where doctor report?
You no get.
I no get. So when they take that kind of something here, I begin cry. See me, they help me. The ambulance, where the Russia call, the agreement between us is to carry this in reach more. And the man say, he don't reach mortuary was they no fit take him. He no fit carry him beyond here because na agreement. Say me they can't carry the body. We are going to carry this body go.
Was that why you can't just carry and go bury?
I just instruct Darusha.
Okay.
I left there immediately. The wife was there, the attendant was there. The only person that is not there is Yoruba Movie.
Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu bàbá Mohbad nínú interview tí Very Dark Man ṣe fún wípé Wunmi ló pa Mohbad apá kejì rẹ̀ lélẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ like, ẹ share, ẹ comment, ẹ subscribe. Má ṣe gbàgbé láti ta gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ kó ba lè ta yín lólobó ní ìgbà tí àwọn ìròyìn mìíràn bá jáde. Ire o.